We have cheated our boyfriends for tonight.
Yes, we are
So we
cheating on our
planned-
boyfriend.
Back again in that speaker box yet for another event.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
So currently I am near the Tower Bridge ready to perform at the Scoop, and the event is going to be super exciting. The crowd is not yet here, but the event is going to start probably around 3 o'clock, and now it's 2:15. So in another 45 minutes we're going to start our event. But before that, let me show you where our crew is. Let's go. So this is our stage where we're going to perform today evening. We're all set, all ready. And our team is backstage here. Social media manager. Look at Daddy. Our DJ and Simon.
Yeah, we're ready. Okay. And make sure follow us.
What did you say?
I said follow us.
Follow us.
Kiki's like waiting. Okay, she's gonna say follow us, and he's like,
Yeah, because
say
I'm
it,
like, is
say
this
it,
supposed to
say
say
it.
on me?
And that's me. Why are you so quiet?
We're gonna do something after, so we have 3 hours. So let me have a
The
treat.
DJ is energizing himself. This side, Daddy's energizing himself. I don't want to show you, but yes, here you go. Daddy's energizing. Kiki also started energizing herself without thinking about me. Now I'm gonna go grab a energizer with her.
I put on to white and black to be coordinated.
Yeah, I was supposed to wear white. The thing is, what I think, she always, some reason we get connected, some reason. So
It's because we didn't see each other for too long. We need to reconnect again.
We need to plan a holiday.
Oh my god, yes, please.
We need to plan a trip.
And on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
We use social dancing to embrace people happiness, to embrace people diversity, to embrace these amazing, beautiful world. And we are going to definitely try to shake the booty. Are you ready, people?
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow.
Look at Kiara. Kiara, you want to tell them where we are going right now?
We are going to Vapiano because this girl never been to Vapiano. How?
Because I don't have Italian friends. That's why. You know,
Tatiana is not even a real Italian.
This girl does this girl does this, and at work, and I'm explaining or talking to Eldon or any situation, I'm like,
This is so like for everything, you know?
Yeah.
It's like, what do you want? Oh, you don't understand why.
I'm like, why are you not doing this? I'm literally like this at work. I'm like this. I got because of this one. This is the main character here.
I'm contagious. Now you're gonna speak with Italian accent.
I don't have to speak with the Italian accent. That was so big. We have cheated our boyfriends for tonight.
Yes, we are
So we
cheating on our
planned-
boyfriend with each other.
With each other. To be clear, we are right now near the Tower Bridge, and she's taking me to a place
yeah.
where she wants to go to. So
Yes, because I
I
fancy
said-
pasta, I don't want to walk a lot, so lo piano.
that's it.
Okay guys, so because I understood that she never eat Italian food, would you like us to make a day where I cook for her and then she cook for me and we, compare? If you like the idea, please answer in the comment because we really want to do that and we want to know if you like to do that, yeah?
I'm always hungry.
I will cook from scratch. I know how to make pasta as well, fresh pasta.
She's getting mad. And she's getting mad.
How? Never eat pesto. How?
All the order is on Kiara's shoulder. Look at Kiara. So much of concentration.
even the main.
The main we'll choose together.
Ah, okay.
Because I don't know
if you like everything.
Rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number.
Oh my god, guys, we just found me and Mushu here. Like, oh my god, look. This is us!
We'll go.
It says that having friends also lower the levels of stress hormones. This is what we do. Together.
Oh my god.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
So currently, as you can see, I'm back home on my bed, all set to sleep, and 2 days of my off was well spent. I think it was very refreshing. It was very difficult for me to get 2 offs together because past few weeks I was like having separate days off, so to do certain things or relax was very difficult. But today I think I'm all freshened up and all in a very good mood. So quite excited for work tomorrow again. Usually I'm always like, it's almost late, I need to sleep. I'm always frustrated or I'm like in a position of already stress mode. But today I'm relaxed, so I'm fine. Yesterday after dinner, me and Kiara were deciding about whether we should go dancing to a salsa club in Soho, or we would just go to any random pub, and relax with some drinks or something like that. but then we ended up going when we went to, so when we reached to the club in Soho, the queue was so long, so we decided we're not going to go there. We called up Simon instead to find out whether he was at Trafalgar Square, and we had a blast out there. We had a amazing time. Me and Kiara left by around 11:30. I was very exhausted, so I was like, I need to go home. Even I was not in the position of even vlogging at that point of time because I was exhausted. I was so tired at that point of time, you know. So, you guys, please do subscribe, like, and share, and comment down below. Something, a very, but before that, let's just to let you know, for the month of August, I have something very exciting coming up. So please make sure you share my channel, help me grow, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.